You became the leader of the pack, being the captain that you are.
Oh, I'm old. You know, me and Bai, we need to retire and let the young guys come in. But we're still, you know, thankful and blessed that we still get the opportunity to represent my country. So, you know, it wasn't the result we wanted today, but really happy we got a really young side and we're expecting more things to come.
So what's going on?
Oh, you know, we got Georgia next week, then Samoa, so one game at a time. But you know, we showed in the first half we can play rugby for a young side, and you know we've got to take a lot of confidence looking forward to next week's game.
Yeah, last week, I mean, during the week, you was mentioning about limited time of preparation that your team had. So now it's starting to pick up on.
Yeah, definitely. You know, we will take a lot from this week. You know, Fiji, Samoa, everybody's on the same boat. So. You know, but at the end of the day, you know, Fiji came out winners today, and you know they were just a great team to watch when they on full flight.